Learning Python can be incredibly helpful for getting into artificial intelligence. Python is widely used in the field of AI due to its simplicity and extensive libraries and frameworks. It's beneficial to expand your knowledge in mathematics, statistics, and other relevant subjects to fully understand artificial intelligence algorithms and techniques. Hello everyone, welcome to FameWide Educational Hub. I am Ashara Saxena, and in this video, I am here to ask you, do you really want to ride the AI wave? So learn Python. Since the inception of ChatGPT, AI has become popular news. Many new developers are showing interest in this area of computer programming. Even before ChatGPT, Python was synonymous with machine learning and deep learning. Can learning Python help you in your AI journey? Absolutely. Why Python? Learning Python can be incredibly helpful for getting into AI. Python is widely used in the field of artificial intelligence due to its simplicity and extensive libraries and frameworks that support AI development. Let's talk about few reasons why artificial intelligence journey is required and why Python can benefit your AI journey. Number 1. Ease of use. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it an ideal language for beginners. It has a clear syntax rather than dealing with complex language constructs. Number 2. Ecosystem and community. Python offers a large ecosystem of libraries and tools specifically designed for artificial intelligence. It also has an active community of developers and data scientists. You can find abundant libraries, learning resources, and tutorials where you can reach out the community and collaborate with others interested in AI. Number 3. Machine learning libraries. Python has excellent machine learning libraries such as scikit-learn, which provides a wide range of algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, clustering, and many more. These libraries extract away many complexities, enabling you to focus on building and training AI models. Number 4. Deep learning frameworks. Python is widely used in deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These frameworks provide a high-level interface to build, train, and deploy neural networks for artificial intelligence applications. How to start? By learning Python, you will gain a solid foundation in programming and be well equipped to explore AI concepts and techniques. However, keep in mind that artificial intelligence is a broad field and Python is just one of the tools used in development. It's beneficial to expand your knowledge in mathematics, statistics, and other relevant subjects to fully understand the AI algorithms and techniques. You can check the description and the I button for the complete tutorial on Python programming on the channel FameWide Educational Hub itself. So don't miss the opportunity and go for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for the latest uploads. See you in the next video.